Are you looking for a fast and effective way to remove ice in your freezer? If your freezer looks like this, then join me today and I will show you how I have removed the ice from my freezer. Fridge freezer. So yeah, my toddler decided to open this and I did not realize until it was too late, and I've got so much ice. So much ice at the top and at the bottom, so I just need to take everything out and quickly clean this. Ensure that everything is out. Alright, my nice and trusted blow dryer. Please ensure that you have turned off the main sockets for the freezer. I'm gonna try and focus on the top layer first, and also use a dish or something so that I can capture all the ice that's falling. I'll also use a wooden spoon or like a plastic spoon to ensure that I can like be cutting into the ice that's melting, like over here as you can see. I will put my wooden spoon in there and then just like tap into the ice so that it just falls apart. Sorry I didn't record that part to demonstrate to you guys, but yeah, I hope you get the idea. It's looking a lot better than it did when it first started. Top part, the ice has come off. Just a little bit more left over that side, but then I'm just going to tackle this. So as you can see, there's that drawer over there that's not come out. It's because it's actually frozen and I can't take it out at all. So I'm just going to blow dry it in that area, and then again, like I mentioned, just get like my wooden spoon and be picking at that ice so that it actually comes off. But yeah, so the food that's in there is actually all going to get checked out because like it's all melting as I'm defrosting, which is not good, so I won't be keeping any of that. But I love using this method. If you are enjoying this content or you found this video to be helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't already. The remainder of this video is going to be other tasks that I do on a monthly basis, so if you are into that, please stick around till the end of the video. Okay, look at that. It is almost done. Taking a bit longer than I expected. We've got that top shelf. All done. Top shelf, middle shelf, bottom shelf, all done. And yeah, this is all the ice that I was scraping off as I go. I just need to clean this part of the door. I'm not sure what that, I think it's spinach. But it is not coming off. I will have to figure out what to do to take everything out, but so I'll probably do a video showing you how I remove that. Everything is clean-ish. All the ice is gone, so that's all that I'm concerned about. So that is it for the freezer. I'm happy about that. I'm now going to tackle the hood of the cooker. I try to do this in a month, every month if I can, just to remove any buildup, grease, dust, whatever. It's a monthly thing that I try to do. Let me know how often you guys do this on yours, but I just like to use the Minky scrubber. You could even use a Dishmatic and use like washing up liquid or anything like that, just to ensure the grease and the dust come off, and it's going to leave your hood of your cooker looking like this, all clean and sparkly. Let's not forget to do the headboards. So in the guest bedroom, I try to make sure that I clean this every month, like give it a deep clean, including my own bedroom. So the headboard, I try to ensure that that is done. And then also hoovering the mattress, that just to ensure that any skin cells, dust, whatever buildup is on there also gets taken out. This bed is actually by a window, so I try to hoover the skirting boards and also the mattress along the sides as well. I remove the mattress as well, and then I just do this part as well. What is it? The planks. just to ensure that all dust that would have been collected from the windows is removed. So again, this is a monthly task, so if you haven't done yours, this is a friendly reminder. And then last but not least, I will tackle my pots, so the pink stuff, and I just do the bottom of the pots because like I said, sometimes buildup does build up on your pots, and during the weeks and stuff you're so busy at work and stuff that you don't really have enough time to clean the bottom of this. So if you have one day in the month where you tackle all these tasks that you have been meaning to do or you haven't got round to doing, I highly recommend you just pick one day during the month, whether it's the end of the month or whether it's the start of the month, where you just tackle all of these tasks. It doesn't have to be all done in one day. It can be a period of 2 days, 3 days, whatever works for you. But as long as it's done at the end of the month or the beginning of the month. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you have, please consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.